Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed about various form factors of motherboard. Today, in this class, we are going to see the various components on the motherboard. Here we can see the list of various components on the motherboard. The components on the motherboard are expansion slots. These expansion slots contains ESA slots, EISA slots, PCI slots, AGP slot, north bridge, south bridge, back panel connectors and ports like display port, VGA port, audio port, USB port, Ethernet ports, PS2 ports for keyboard and mouse, parallel port, CPU socket and CPU, ATX power connector for motherboard, front panel USB 2.0 connectors, front panel connectors such as power switch, reset switch, power LED, hard drive LED and front audio ports, IDE connector, CMOS battery, SATA connectors, RAM slots like SIM and DIMM slots, AGP slot, ROM BIOS and chipset. In the next, we are going to see the details of these components. The first and most important component on the motherboard is expansion slots. Here in this expansion slot we can see ESA slot, EISA slots, PCI slots, AGP slot. ESA slot means Industry Standard Architecture slot. EISA means Extended Industry Standard Architecture slot. PCI means Peripheral Component Interconnect slots, and AGP means Auxiliary Graphics Port slot. In these slots, we can add extra expansion cards on it to improve the efficiency of the computer. Another important components of the motherboard are north bridge and south bridge. North bridge is also called memory controller hub. South bridge is also called IO controller hub. Here we can see back panel connectors and ports. These back panel connectors and ports are display port or VGA port, which is used to connect monitor to our computer. VGA port is nothing but it is called virtual graphics adapter port. Audio port. These audio ports are used to connect speakers and mic to the computer. USB ports. These USB ports are used to connect USB based input and output devices to computer. Ethernet ports, most important port on the motherboard. This Ethernet port, and also called a LAN port, used to connect LAN cable to our computer to get internet connectivity. PS2 ports are used for connecting keyboard and mouse. Parallel port is used to connect printer. This is also called LPT1. And this is a CPU. This CPU we can insert in this CPU socket on the motherboard. This is called ATX power connector. This is used to supply the main power to the motherboard from SMPS in the computer. Here we can see front panel USB 2.0 connectors and also 3.1 version connectors. By using these USB connectors, we can connect USB based input and output devices to our computer. Here these are also called front panel connectors, which contains power switch, reset switch, power LED, hard drive LED and front audio ports on the motherboard. In this image we can see the various important components on the motherboard. Among these important components, here we can see the IDE connector, CMOS battery, SATA connectors and AGP slot. IDE means Integrated Drive Electronics. This IDE connector is used to connect hard disk drive, CD-ROM drive, DVD drive and also floppy disk drive. CMOS battery is nothing but complementary metal oxide semiconductor battery, which is used for backup for CMOS chip, where we store system date and time and also system configuration information. SATA connector is nothing but serial advanced attachment connector. It is used to connect hard disk drive and also DVD ROM drive. ACP slot is also called auxiliary graphics port. It is used to connect extra graphics card to the computer. By this extra graphics card, we can enhance the graphics facility of the computer. This is called ROM BIOS chip, read-only memory basic input-output system chip, in which we store the manufacturer details of the computer inside it. The information stored in this is called firmware. System related information is stored in this BIOS chip. Whenever you switch on the computer, the system starts booting based on the instructions stored on this chip. This is called ROM BIOS chip, read-only memory basic input-output system chip, in which we store the manufacturer details of the computer inside it. The information stored in this is called firmware. System related information is stored in this BIOS chip. Whenever you switch on the computer, the system starts booting based on the instructions stored on this chip. Here we can see the RAM slots, where we insert RAM, SIMs and DIMMs based on our requirement. Nowadays, the computer RAM is available in the form of SIM and DIMM. SIM is nothing but single inline memory module. DIMM is nothing but dual inline memory module. And these SIMs and DIMMs are mostly available now, and these are useful for inserting in the RAM slots on the motherboard. The most important component on the motherboard is chipset. Then what is meant by chipset? Here in a computer system, a chipset is a set of electronic components in an integrated circuit that manages the data flow between the processor, memory and peripherals. It is usually found on the motherboard. Chipsets are usually designed to work with a specific family of microprocessors because it controls communication between the processor and external devices. The chipset plays a crucial role in determining the system performance. So the chipset is most important component in the motherboard, we can say. Now we will see the various components on the motherboard which we have listed just now. This is one of the sample motherboard where we are going to identify the various connectors. First we will see the back panel ports of the motherboard. These are called back panel ports. Among these two are called PS2 connectors, where we connect keyboard and mouse. And this one is called parallel port, which is used to connect printers to our computer. It is also called LPT1. And next this one is called D-type serial port connector, and this is called VGA, virtual graphics adapter port, to use it to connect monitor. These are called USB ports, are having version 2.0 and also 3.0, where we connect USB type input and output devices to our computer. And this is called Ethernet port or LAN port, where we connect LAN cable to our computer to get internet connectivity. This is called audio jack, used to connect speaker and also mic to our computer. The remaining parts on the motherboard are, these are called RAM slots to insert RAM, SIMs and DIMMs on it. And these colored, white color, red color and black color connectors are called integrated drive electronics connectors, IDE connectors. These white and red color connectors are used to connect DVD drive, CD drive, hard disk drive and etc. and black color connector is used to connect floppy disk drive to the computer. White color, red color connectors are having 40 pins, and black color is having 36 pin in it. This is called CMOS battery, which is used for backup to the CMOS chip, where we store the system date and time and system configuration. This is called CMOS chip. And these white colors connectors are called PCI, expansion slots, peripheral component interconnector cards. And this is called auxiliary graphics port, where we add extra graphics card to the computer. This is called heatsink. Beneath the heatsink we have chipset called North Bridge and South Bridge. North Bridge is also called memory controller hub. South Bridge is also called IO controller hub, which are essential for motherboard in any computer. And this one is CPU socket, where we insert central processing unit in it. We can open the socket, we can insert the socket here, insert the CPU here, and close the socket like this. And motherboard is having two important power connectors. This power connector is used for CPU, and this main power connector is used for entire motherboard. And next, these are called front panel connectors. These two are called USB connectors, and remaining these are LED display connectors and used for reset and on off of the computer. Dear students, so far we have discussed about various components available on the motherboard. In the next class, we will discuss about IO ports available on the motherboard. Thank you.